Hello everyone, I'm Arnav Deshpande back with another video, and in this video we are going to see that how to control the volume for different applications. So without any delay, let us just begin the video, and don't forget to watch the video till the end, because in between somewhere I am going to say you the main motto to make this video. So let us begin with. I have given you a link in the description. From there, by pressing the link, you can just go to that site, and you will see a download option here, which enables you to download the application, which I'm going to give the tutorial today. So after downloading file, just install it. Give access. After installing the application, you will just see its logo in the home screen. You can directly go to Google Play Store and download that also, but I am providing you the pro version of this application. So you can either download from Play Store or directly from my secure link. First you grant all the settings to it. It will ask for do not disturb access, because of course it is a sound application, so it needs. And then also the accessibility, and award the accessibility access to this, so that it can access to the sound of the mobile phone. Remember, this app will work when you keep this app in background apps, that is in the recent apps. So here you can adjust the volume settings for installed apps and even the system apps. So first I'll quickly show you with YouTube. It is taking some time for loading, but okay. So here is the YouTube application. So just if I press this on, so here first we should associate rule, and then only the rule can be turned on. First setting here is on speaker. What is this? Directly, if your YouTube app is streaming audio without any wired headset or Bluetooth headset, so it will stream on speaker, and this is that setting. You can adjust the media volume, the ring volume, the alarm volume, the notification and the system volume. Remember that on turning on, it doesn't mean that everything is 100. On turning on, if it is 0, then the app isn't responsible for that. So before in hand, if you don't want to adjust that particular setting, so you turn off. That is a good option. So ring I will turn off, even system sounds I will turn off, and alarm I will turn off. So here are the rest two settings. You can adjust the media volume. Suppose basically it is this much, or even this much you can keep basically. So on opening YouTube, suppose I'll make here 60% and I'll save. So after opening YouTube, my media volume will be 60% only. So this is the first feature of this app. And then even just I'll show you notification sound. You can even adjust the notifications which you get in between, like this. For that you can adjust the sound, and this is another settings. And in the same way, ring, alarm and system sounds also you can adjust. Other terms are on headset, on Bluetooth. Here on opening on headset, here there is an option on speaker settings, that is it will adjust auto adjust the settings, how the settings are on speaker. In the same way, it will adjust for headset. And if you want to do like that, you can do, or just you can opt to switch it off. I'll keep it on because I don't want in that way. and even there is one more option for on Bluetooth. So on Bluetooth also you can adjust all the settings or just use the speaker settings. I'll put it on speaker settings, and there is one more option named as settings. What is this? In this you can see that adjust notifications volume. That is, suppose I am getting a notification now and I want to delay that sound for 2 to 3 seconds. I can do it in that way. So I'll just adjust it for 3 seconds, or you can adjust 36 or more number also, but I'll just adjust for 3 seconds. So if I get a notification at the time of seeing YouTube video, it will, that sound of that notification will be delayed for the amount of seconds which I have entered here. So after doing all of this, you have to save the settings. Don't forget it to save, because it is on the manual save mode. And then other tab is there named as when closing. That is this, when starting YouTube, these are the settings to be adjusted, and when closing YouTube you can adjust these settings. So first option is the media. Restore old volume, adjust volume, or do not change. That is, as you kept for video, you would not change the settings by do not change option. And adjust volume, that is, now you can adjust to the volume, or the other setting is to restore old volume. That is, initially before opening YouTube how it was, you can restore in that way. So better you put all settings on restore old volume. And in the same way you can do it for headset and on Bluetooth settings also. And then for delay setting for adjustment, you can do that also. This was all about this. And this rule or audio rule for YouTube has got set, and you can test it on yourself. So I'd prefer this app volume control pro. And then the main topic of this video, the main motto to make this video was that next Sunday I am posting a new video on types of investments. So if you have any question regarding the long term investment, because I'm making specifically on long term investment, if you have any questions regarding the long term investments, you can just post it in the Google form which I have given in the description. So Google form link is in the description. Go participate there, ask your questions. I'll try to focus on all of the questions. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.